Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a mulled wine warmer from Royal Catering. A device very versatile because it's not only for mulled wine. You can do any hot drink in it, like tea or coffee, or like I do. I personally prefer to use it as a portable stock pot because it's always a pain in the kitchen when you have to sacrifice one of your burners for a pot of stock or broth. This way you can put it just in a corner, plug it in, and you have an additional stock pot going. Alright, so let me just go into details, what it has and what it does. First of all, it has a plastic lid. It is a cool advantage because even when the device is operating for a while, this won't heat up, and you can lift it even when the device has been heating whatever's inside for a long time. Just one remark there, just remember when it heats up it builds up steam underneath the lid, so whenever you open it, just open it outwards in order to prevent any steam burns. Alright, moving down, the stock pot, the mulled wine stock pot has a capacity of 27 litres and a operational capacity of 20 litres. There's actually a marking inside there, pressed in the metal, on exactly how much water or liquid should be inside. Never fill up the container to the top in order to prevent any splashes when it starts boiling or when you're moving it around, definitely. Alright, the pot itself, the container is made of stainless steel, which is really great because first of all, it doesn't affect the food with any flavor, it doesn't react with anything, and it's easy to clean and maintain, and of course it's scratch resistant, so it will look good for a long time. A very nice feature also is the fact that it has handles on both sides, and these are plastic and heat proof as well, so you can transport it even when the device is full. Alright, moving down, the heart of the machine is in the base. It works with 1800 watts, so it's quite powerful and efficient, and it just requires 230 volts. So all you need to do is just plug it in and you're ready to work. Controls are pretty easy too. There's two of them and a timer on and off switch, so all you have to do is just set the temperature, then set the time on. Oh, there you go. Once the temperature reaches the desired level, the timer will give you an acoustic signal. In order to turn it off, all you have to do is just put it there on, turn the timer off, and it will hold the desired temperature indefinitely, for as long as you need it. There you go. As you can hear it, it starts heating straight away because the heating element is on the bottom. It will heat up it very efficiently. In this set also you will get this net. So this will turn into a food pasteurizer very quickly. All you have to do is just drop it on the bottom, put your jars on top, and just fill it with water to the desired level, and you can pasteurize your foods. Also, when you're doing stock pots, this is very useful because it works as a sieve. So when you drop it on the bottom, this will hold all the bones and all the vegetable mirepoix, so you won't clog up the tap. Since we added the tap, let's see how it works. The tap has basically two functions. So when you pull it, it will flow constantly. When you push it, it jumps back, so you can control how much wine or liquid you're pouring. Nice feature is the fact that it's all sealed off, so it won't drip. Well, after you've used it, it's time for cleaning, and the cleaning is very easy. All you have to do is just wash it down with soapy water, clean it, dry it out with a paper towel or a cloth, and that's about it. Do not use any abrasive or corrosive detergents because you may scratch the surface and you shorten its life. If you're looking for a mulled wine warmer or a stock pot, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those devices with different parameters, different looks, different controls, so you'll definitely find the one that you need. With this one, however, you get a 3-year warranty, and it will be delivered in a box just like this one, with a really secure packaging, so nothing will happen to it, no matter what the delivery guy does to it. Okay, so let's quickly summarize. The device has 27-liter capacity, 20-liter operational capacity. Plastic lid, so you won't burn yourself. Very useful and practical handles on both ends. Heat-proof, of course. Quite powerful heart, which works with 1800 watts, and it requires the voltage of 230. In the set, you also get a net to turn this device into a food pasteurizer. And it also works as a sieve for your stocks. The tap is drip proof, and in my book definitely good enough. Okay, so if you're about to equip your kitchen or your canteen or whatever you need a commercial kitchen device, just leave me a comment in the comment section what else you would like me to show you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.